Welcome back. Let's take a look now at the state of Uttar Pradesh because 16 districts are reeling under severe flooding. Gonda is one of the worst affected districts of the state and water level is rising in the Saryu River, inundating large swaths of land, forcing people to leave their home and hearth. India Today's Ashutosh Mishra is there getting you this ground report. Take a look.
Flood mayhem across Uttar Pradesh. 16 districts of Uttar Pradesh are reeling under severe floods. Rising water levels in the Saryu River has inundated large parts in the eastern part of the state. Gonda is among the worst affected districts.
Most of these people who were living in low-lying areas were forced to take shelter on the embankments where the temporary arrangements have been made. The biggest concern is that there have been no respite even after weeks. It has been almost a month. The situation remains grim in these districts of eastern Uttar Pradesh.
The Khara village in Gonda is completely submerged.
1.5 महीना हुआ पानी सर भी हटा नहीं है.
पानी है 1.5 महीने से.
1.5 महीना से पानी टिका.
आना जाना बाहर कैसे होता है?
आना जाना सब बंधा पर लोग टिके हैं और बड़ा दिक्कत है. सब रोड टूट गई है सर. ना सौर ऊर्जा है, ना कोई लाइट की व्यवस्था है. बहुत ज्यादा दिक्कत आ रही है.
गांव में भी है पानी, घरों में?
बहुत गांव में, हमारे सबके गांव में पानी इतना पानी है कि जगह जगह.
घर के अंदर?
जी, घर के अंदर से इतना पानी है
सर. सामान खाने का अब यही मिला है. ये गल्ला मिला है.
सोते भी आप यहीं पर हैं?
हाँ, यहीं पे सोते हैं.
जब तेज बरसात होती है तब
इसी में कुछ किसी तरह से गुजारा होता है. ऐसे बैठ के गुजारा करते हैं. ये पल्ली मिला है, इसको देखो चूती है, कोई रुकाव नहीं है.
इसमें छेद है.
हाँ, इसका कोई रुकाव नहीं है.
Despite of all these arrangements, all these makeshift arrangements in the embankments, the water entered in the villages and they were forced to displace from their houses. However, as far as relief is concerned, this flood relief material have been distributed by the local administration and the government, but there are multiple villages almost all across these floodline, low-lying areas, those who have come here on the embankments living in these makeshift tents, and that explains how grim the life is. Be it the women, senior citizen and kids, they are suffering worst in this calamity.
Although some of the districts in eastern UP are flooded every year, the situation this year is worse.
The biggest, the threat for the life is that there is no idea where is the road or potentially, edge of any pond or the lake in these villages. There are many villages in this district, including 16 others, which are flooded and almost submerged. Here, this is how locals commute from one place to another. Either there are country boats or buy food in this water, which is somewhere even up to 4 to 5 feet. Indeed, the life is in grave risk here in the district of Gonda.
The floods have destroyed standing crops, leaving the farmers worried.
हमारे क्षेत्र में कम से कम गन्ने का नुकसान, हजारों बीघे गन्ने का नुकसान हुआ है और कम से कम 1400 घर हैं, तो सब में पानी भरा हुआ है.
पूरा नुकसान हो गया. समझो 25% बकाया बचा. बाकी सारा.
क्या कौन सी फसल है
ये धान है सर.
धान बो रखा था आपने?
जी.
पानी भी 3-4 फीट से ज्यादा ही है.
5 फीट पानी था सर.
अभी घटा है थोड़ा जी. कितने दिन रहा इस बार पानी?
इस बार लगभग महीने हो गया सर.
Standing crops is likely to be spoiled. There is no respite from the flood situation, and looking at the level of water, hardly it is expected that in next 10 to 15 days it will recede further to bring some respite for the poor farmers.
Radhe Sham's house has been transformed into an island. One can only see water all around. The family has moved to the terrace with the necessary items, hoping that water recedes quickly.
When flood water entered in these villages, many left to the embankments, but on the highlands in these villages, many left their cattle here for safety. With their all belongings, many displaced, but there are villagers who refuse to leave their home and taken shelter on the rooftop with their essential belongings to survive, keeping their family safe from the situation.
The help from the government has been inadequate so far. Relief for the residents of the village will only come when water actually begins to recede.
The havoc and degree of pain is that many are still homeless as their houses have been collapsed, taking shelter on the embankments. The relief an aid operation by Yogi government is being provided to these low-lying areas, but is that enough? With this question in the ground report in flood-affected Gonda, it's Satyadis Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.